That is it. Do you offer mentorship? No. So right now, I don't do any of that stuff just yet. Not yet. It's something I've been kind of thinking about, but haven't gotten to that far yet. So there's a lot of things I want to do. I want to buckle down and really nail down. Let's see if I can show you guys what I'm working on the back end here. I got some other courses that I'm working on that are not even on ConvoCourses, but I have one in particular that I think you guys might be interested in, that I've been asked about quite a bit, but it's just taken me a lot longer to do, and I have not really shown it, but I think that in the field that we're in, it might be very, very helpful to some folks. Let me show you what it is. Got some popular stuff. I appreciate that, but I've really been getting a lot of questions for doing certifications, and I don't want to do, it's just so much involved with certifications, so I've been really reluctant to do them. I used to teach certifications. I taught CISSP, Security Plus, and now I'm being asked to do like a CAP course. It's just a lot of work. It's just a lot going on with it, and I wanted to show you guys like a little like snippet. Here it is right here. This is a CAP course I'm working on. It's gonna have a lot of questions on it. It's gonna break down all of the objectives of the official certified authorization professional guide. So this guide right here is going to be broken way down. Each one of these items you see here, I'm going to go super in depth, book knowledge wise. And the reason why I didn't start off with this, and this just got so far dozens and dozens of questions that it asks you to prepare you for the actual test. Just lots and lots of different questions that will prepare you for it. And each section has questions that you're gonna have to go through, from very easy questions to some pretty complex ones, to some scenarios. And then I got to do the videos for those and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. One of the things I'm doing on the back end, and it's just gonna take me a lot longer than I thought to do it. I have the CAP. Yeah, I think the CAP is really useful. I was surprised how much of it is just the NIST 800, but that's what I want to help people to get. All right, guys, for real this time, I'm out of here. Thank you guys for attending. Thanks, Hartley, for your great questions. Thanks, Michael, for your questions. Ben, thanks for attending. Everybody else who's watching, appreciate everybody. I've been talking for about an hour and 20 minutes. Appreciate everybody. I am out of here. I'll leave the chats on for a while so you guys can talk to each other, but I am going to turn off the mic, go elsewhere for a while. Prepare for my other channel. Later.